Okay. Jai Shri
Thank you
Krishna,
so
Pranam
Jai Shri
Swamiji,
Krishna.
and
Pranam.
good evening, everyone. I had actually knee pain, which was there for quite some years, actually a meniscus tear, and the doctor suggested that I should go in for knee replacement. But I didn't want to do that, and I came exactly at the time as if God sent. I saw the advertisement for this Kumbhak therapy. I joined the course, and it has been a wonderful 9 weeks course. And I actually do not have any pain now. And not only that, I have my overall general health has also improved a lot. And I like to thank Shushma ji, our batch teacher, 317. And we had been very patient and motivating. And and we learned, of course, many techniques of breathing and body movements, and all of them involving basically the inhale, hold, focus, and exhale. And it is that simple. Just follow the routine like they teach you, and you're good. That's it. And I have no pain. And Swamiji's instructions also works very well. Like he used to say that to take the ghee and then the body massage, oil massage, and bathe, and then do the exercises and everything. And if you do it exactly the way it is done in empty stomach, and I actually do it early in the morning around 4 to 6 or something like that. Everything finished at that time when the whole house is silent, being the Brahma Muhurat time also, having the maximum impact. And I'm really very thankful to everyone for this journey. It has been very pleasant. And I would definitely wish everyone the best, because one thing is there, addressing the root cause is better than suppressing with painkillers. I sincerely believe that. And Swamiji really helped me in that. And I would just like to thank everyone, and that's about it. There is a lot I can say, but since there is not enough time, I just like to close it over here. Pranam.